In a remarkable feat of innovation and endurance, the Indian Army's Gajraj Corps has achieved what few thought possible, setting up a fully functional, high-altitude monorail logistics system in the rugged Kameng Himalayas at an altitude of 16,000 feet. This breakthrough promises to transform how troops are supported in some of the world's toughest terrains. At a place where air is thin, the cliffs are sheer, and weather turns hostile without a warning. Reaching forward post is a daily battle. Supply lines often snap under the burden of snow, and traditional transport struggles against the terrain. But now, a sleek, metallic lifeline runs through these frozen heights. The indigenous high-altitude monorail system designed and developed entirely by the Gajraj Corps. Capable of carrying over 300 kilograms in a single run, the monorail connects remote outposts that were once isolated for days. Ammunition, ration, fuel, engineering tools now move swiftly and safely across the dangerous gradients, day or night, hail or storm, with or without escort. The system's reliability not only improves logistics but also ensures that the operational rhythm never breaks, no matter how extreme the environment is. Mapped across the Kameng sector, this monorail demonstrates indigenous problem solving at its finest. For the army, it is more than just a hardware. It is a symbol of self-reliance and innovation under pressure. Beyond supplies, the system can also aid rapid casualty evacuation, offering a safe route to move the injured where helicopters cannot fly and foot evacuation is too slow. At 16,000 feet, where survival itself is a challenge, the Gajraj Corps continues to script stories of determination and ingenuity, one rail at a time. From freezing heights of Kameng, this innovation stands as a beacon of Indian engineering and soldiery spirit, redefining logistics at the top of the world.